hope you're all having a lovely weekend. I'm going to be making two blended fruit punch. For the first one, it's going to be the tropical Jamaican fruit punch. If you go to any resorts in Jamaica and you order a blended fruit punch, this is the fruit punch that you will get. It will consist of banana, pineapple, papaya, and mangoes, unless you order otherwise. Add all your freshly peeled fruits to your blender, and then you will add some strawberry or cherry syrup. That is what they use. That's a tropical syrup. And if you want a blended fruit punch with no extra artificial sugar, you will add some frozen fruits to your blender. I peeled them the night before and put them in the freezer. And I'm going to go ahead and add my banana, pineapple, mangoes, and my papayas. And to help with the blended process, I add some 100% natural orange juice. And here you have two delicious blended fruit punch. If you've never tried them out before, go ahead and try it out and let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching and have a lovely weekend.